Okay, so we're checking out the drone drop box for August 2018. Let's see what kind of goodies we got in this box this month. Okay, we got, looks like some props here. These are from HQ. These are the new POPO, or I guess that's pop-on, pop-off props. Okay, so I'm not sure if it's going to come out in the camera or not here. These look like the 5.1 by 3.1 by 3 props, 3-bladed props. I haven't had these before. I haven't tried these. This has the new pop-on, pop-off system, so you just stick them on special kind of motors with the special motor shafts. And you get 3 sets of these. Okay, you get a couple of HQ prop battery straps. These look a little bit thinner than normal, 20 millimeters, I think. Yeah, these are 15 millimeter battery straps, so they're probably going to be useful for something like a camera, perhaps. Not sure. Maybe bigger micro. This one's kind of unexpected. SanDisk Ultra 16 gigabyte micro SD card. And it's one of these UHS 1 cards. So it should be pretty fast and good enough for most HD cameras, but it's a little on the small side. Okay, we got a nice 2mm hex driver here, and it says from Team Black Sheep. Pretty nice. Just the 2mm size though, only. Okay, so it looks like we got a baseball cap here, a little hat from Brain FPV and Drone Drop. Pretty cool. Adjustable back. Pretty nice baseball cap. Okay, looks like we got a box here with an FPV camera in it. Okay, so I think I've seen this one before on the Lism RC X140. This is one of those generic micro Swift clones. I think this comes with a different type of case here. And yeah, 2.1 millimeter lens. Micro size here, 19x19, and yeah, it's got the 3 connectors on the back for your power, ground, video, and then you have 2 connectors for your OSD joystick. But yeah, all you get in the box is the camera, and then you get a couple of connector cables there and some screws. And of course, at the bottom of the box here, we got your stickers for this month. Some stickers from Team Black Sheep and some generic ones from SuperTech and Drone Drop. So that looks like that's all we get here for this month in August of 2018. Guess a little on the light side, to be honest. 3 sets of props, a couple of battery straps, a hex driver, micro SD card, get a hat, and a FPV camera. So if you're wondering, if you order now, you're going to get this box. It's actually, you're not going to be getting this box. You're going to get the one for September. I think if you subscribe before, I think like maybe September 4th or 5th, you'll get the September box sometime in September. If you subscribed already before like August the 4th, I believe, then you would be getting this box at some point. This month, I believe I'm probably one of the first ones to get the August box. I haven't seen any other people showing the August box yet, but yeah, to be honest, for this month, I think it's a bit light on the light side. I kind of wish there was a little bit more in this box for this month. Anyway, guys, that's the drone drop box for August 2018, and I'll have another one for you next month.